In this video, I will show you how to add background image in HTML. I have open live server so you can see changes right away. For this, we have a few options. Firstly, we can add background tag with path to image. Another way it is using style tag and write basic CSS for element you want to get background image. Use add background image on body like I am doing on the screen. OCSS, you can add some other styles like background no repeat. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.